My name is André Boni. I'm EDANA's trainer for the training course Fundamentals in Filtration. I have more than 30 years experience in filtration in applications like HVAC and clean room, gas turbine and many others. The EDANA training course Fundamentals in Filtration is covering a wide range of applications and standards. First, we start with basics in filtration, talking about particles, particle nature, particle size, and characteristics related to particles. Then we look at different applications. First of all, we start with HVAC, clean room and cabin air. Those relate to indoor air quality and personal health. Other applications that we cover are gas turbine filtration, industrial application, automotive applications, liquid filtration and molecular filtration. We provide you with extensive material that can be useful at a later date. I'm looking forward to seeing you in person soon.